Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today it's a bit different, but before we start this video, please don't forget to subscribe to the channel and like this video. Even though you haven't watched it yet, you're going to like it, so like the video. Anyway, with that said, welcome to the channel. Today is a very special day. We are going to do the first, not really mods to the Civic Type R, but we are going to do the first upgrades on the Civic Type R. Yeah, that makes sense. I'm going to drive my car, well, I'm actually driving my car now towards Protex Canada. They are going to do the PPF on the car, complete PPF, paint protection film, and I'm super stoked about it because their product is simply the best, and it's self-healing. That means if somebody scratch your car or something like that, something happened, you just put a little bit of heat on it and it's back like new. So it's the best way to keep your car as fresh as possible, just like the car was leaving the showroom floor. Anyway, so I'm on my way to Protex right now. I'm going to show you the place and you're going to see what they've done to the car. I'm going to leave the car there for 2 or 3 days, so that's going to be extensive, but I mean, I have other cars to drive, so that's a good thing. But anyway, let's drive the car to Protex. So now I'm at Protex in Laval near Montreal. I took the Jetta for a spin today and I decided to go check out on the progress on the Civic Type R. So far they did an amazing job. They are doing the complete PPF, and unlike the one that was on my previous Honda Civic, this one is, I mean, the other one was good, but this one is seamless. At first I thought they haven't even started yet on the car, and the car is completely covered in PPF, so this is amazing. So let's go inside. We're going to check out the car, see what they've done, and by the way, the shop is amazing. Inside the shop there's like a McLaren 720S, an old air-cooled 911, and the list goes on. So let's go inside. So after 72 hours, I'm finally taking delivery on my Type R. The paint protection film is completely done on the car and it's flawless. You couldn't tell there's something on the paint right now. And now my car is fully protected. So again, shout out to Protex Canada in Laval and also XPEL for their product. I'm super glad they decided to jump in this project. Guys, if you like that video, please leave a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel because there's a lot of new stuff coming your way with the Civic Type R, and I see you in the next one. Bye.